Wow, this is a pretty good rainstorm on my vacation to Orlando. Look at this. November 12th, 2018. I may actually be able to upload this later tonight on my main channel. From my new phone that I got a couple days ago. I don't even think I was even expecting any rain today, but it's happening.
Yeah, I wasn't either, but apparently it's just pretty tiny. So I guess the people are worried about it.
We're in our hotel. Alright.
Look, do you have the radar on your phone yet?
Do I have the radar? Not yet. Hang on. Let's go in here. Whoa! Yep, Orlando, Florida. I'll be going to Orlando, Florida when the weather dies down. Smells like rain quite a bit. Wow. This is insane. Supposed to thunder in the next few days over here in Orlando too. Wow, holy crap. Yep, we have a whole new week of summer over here in Orlando for my vacation. I'm going to be here till next Friday. Yep.
It feels like we're in the storm, but not really.
Look at this rainstorm. Wow.
Tyler, bring your food out here. Let's eat out here, honey.
Okay, when I'm done making the video.
Cool, I love
There's
it.
some really cool palm trees over there.
I'll be right
We
back.
are in Orlando. Holy crud! Almost sounds like it's hailing. Shoot, you know what? I think it's hailing. Very tiny. Sounds like it. That does look like hail. Oh my god. Looks like it is hailing a very little bit. Whoa! Holy crap! This is really, really bad. Look at this.
Wow.
This is intense.
Tyler, these turned out really good, didn't they?
Oh, yes.
Honey, look at your food. You can afford this food.
I decided to go and show a little bit more. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go and eat now. Then we're probably going to go to University of Florida when it stops raining. See you guys next video.